Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about ROS nodes. Before we jump into the main topic of this video, if you're new to my channel, this channel is all about robotics, controls, machine learning, and computer vision, so subscribe to learn more. I have a bunch of playlists on computer vision, software, mechanical. This one's on OpenCV, ROS2, Python, C++, Git, mechanical design, SolidWorks, and here's my GitHub that goes along with it. So let's jump back into the topic of this video. So ROS nodes are standalone executables used to send or receive data by using different things such as topics, services, actions, and parameters, which we will talk about in our later videos. But let's go ahead and go over some ROS2 node commands. So you type ROS2 node-h, you'll see the help for the ROS2 node. And then we could do ROS2 node list. You can see it's one of the main function, ROS2 node list. You can see that if I run this, there's no nodes running right now, right? So let's go ahead and run a node first. So we do ROS2 run turtle sim node. So we have our turtle node up and running here. So we have, once you do that, and if we do ROS2 node list, we will see that turtle sim is a node that's running. Okay, so we could do different things to see the info. So if we do ROS2 node info and we type in the node, we could see different things about this node. So what this shows is there's subscribers, there's a publishers, there's a service servers, and then as well as the clients, action servers, and action clients. And those we will talk about later on in this video. But for now, you just know that by using a ROS2 node info command, we could find out more info about a certain node that we're dealing with. So in our next video, we'll dive into topics. So go check that out. If you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.